To connect your JennAir Wall Oven, download and open the JennAir app on your Wi-Fi enabled device. To add a new appliance, select the plus symbol at the top right of the My Appliance screen and select your appliance category. Then locate the model and serial number placed discreetly inside the unit at the top center. Select the corresponding model number from the list in the JennAir app. Follow the in-app prompts and select the Tools button on the Wall Oven screen. Select Wi-Fi features, then press OK to agree to the terms of service. Select Search Network to locate the Wi-Fi network, then select the Wi-Fi network from the list and press Connect. The JennAir Wall Oven is now connecting to the Wi-Fi network. This may take a few minutes. In the Wireless Features menu, select the SAID code option. Here you will find the SAID and MAC ID codes. As the Wall Oven does not have a QR code, use the Need Help option in the app to manually enter the SAID and MAC ID numbers. Verify the model and press Next. In the JennAir app, name the Wall Oven to distinguish it from other connected appliances. Harness the power of your connected appliances, all from the JennAir app.